Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's video, I am going to talk about one very good newspaper article and it is in German. We'll read this news. It is about Roger Federer. You know, Roger Federer is a very well-known, very popular tennis player. Okay, and we all know Roger Federer is from Switzerland and he has played so many matches. He is an international player, and this news is all about Roger Federer and his contribution towards the society. He is a very popular player and he contributes to the society. So we'll read in the news what is available. So you can see on the screen Darum Gate means it is about Herzogin Kate. Herzogin Kate means Dutch. Dutch. She is Dutch person. Herzogin Kate und Roger Federer stehen bald gemeinsam auf dem Tennisplatz. So Dutch Kate, 40 years, and Roger Federer both will stand together very soon on the tennis ground. Tennisplatz in the tennis ground. Gemeinsam means together. Together, they both stand up for a cause, for a social cause. Die beiden Berühmtheiten, the both popular, werden im Rahmen des diesjährigen Laver Cups vom 23. bis 25. September Spendengelder für Kinderhilfsorganisationen sammeln. So they both will collect the geld, okay, spend donation money for the children help organizations, okay, between 23rd to 25th September. Okay, it's a Laver Cup. So both the personalities, both the stars will collect the money for children help organization, and they will donate this money. So this match will be played between 23rd to 25th September. Dabei haben Kinder im Alter von 8 bis 15 Jahren. With this, the children in the age of 8 to 15 years of old have the Gelegenheit, means chance. They have the chance mit dem Profi-Sportler Tennis zu spielen. With the Profis, expert sports person. These are two experts, Kate and Roger Federer, both experts to play tennis. So children between 8 to 15 years of age have this opportunity, Gelegenheit, to play along with them. So it's a tennis match for the social cause, to collect the money. Spendengeld, okay? Spenden means donation. So the money will be given as a donation to the children help organization. So this is the text. Now we'll read in detail what is available here. There is a complete detail about this text. So we'll see the detail also so that we understand this text better. Yes. The Herzogin Kate means the Dutch. She is a Dutch Kate and tennis fanist. She is a tennis fan. Kein Geheimnis. It's no more secret. It's not a secret. Nun wird der 40-Jährige aber eine Ehre zuteil. Now she will share the tennis court. 40 years. Okay. Von der viele andere Tennisbegeisterte nur träumen können. Of that, many tennis fans have only the dream. Many people have dreams to play with Roger Federer. Okay, so Dutch kid will be there with Roger Federer along with kids to play tennis for a social cause. Träumen können means only you can dream of that. Other people, viele andere, many other people can only dream of that. But today the dream will be fulfilled. Okay, of kid as well as of the children. Vom 23. bis 25. September steht die Herzogin nämlich mit Roger Federer auf dem Tenniscourt und schwingt mit ihm den Tennisschläger. So the Kate will be with the Roger Federer, the A-star, the tennis player, superstar in the tennis match, in the tennis court, auf dem Tenniscourt, and swing the tennis racket. Tennisschläger, tennis racket. She will swing the tennis racket with Roger Federer in the tennis court. So it's a dream of many people, but they have fulfilled their dreams. Many people dream of to just have a photo with Roger Federer even if they cannot play. So it's a dream come true. Die Herzogin von Cambridge und der 41-Jährige haben im Namen des Lever Cups. So Herzogin, the Dutch of Cambridge and the 41 years old. This Roger Federer is 41 years old. Der is for Roger Federer. He is a male. Haben im Namen, in the name of Levers Cup, eine wohltätige Zusammenarbeit angekündigt. He has done this work. Zusammenarbeit. He has done this work in the name of Levers Cup. So this will be called Levers Cup. Okay. He has done the Zusammenarbeit with the Levers Cup. Am Tennistag, on the tennis day, möchten die beiden. It's a international tennis day. Okay. This is the international tennis day. Möchten die beiden für die Kinderhilfsorganisation Action für Children und die LTA Stiftung Gelder sammeln. The both will play tennis, as I said, for the donation, and this money will be donated to the Children Help Organization Action for Children and the LTA Stiftung. Geld sammeln means to collect. They will collect the money, okay, and donate so that the children can be helped. Kate ist die Schirmherrin der beiden Organisationen. Kate is the Schirmherrin means she is the member of both the organization, LTA and Action for Children. These are two organizations. And Roger Federer, Mitgründer, he is the founder of Levers Cup. So werden alle erlöse aus den Ticketsfonds. And so with this, the ticket of 22nd September in the O2 in London zwischen den beiden Wohltätigkeitsorganisationen geteilt. And the tickets will be distributed in the name of these two organizations in London. So the match will be played. Okay, Levers Cup match in London. The match will be played. Tickets will be sold out with the name of these two organizations, and it is called Levers Cup. Roger Federer is the co-founder of Levers Cup, and this Dutch kid is also the member of this Action for Children and LTA. So this is the text about Roger Federer is going to play a match for the social cause. Watch this video once again and note down all the difficult words. I hope you find it interesting and useful. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.